In today's video, we'll cover how to automate follow-ups in Salesforce, making it easier to stay on top of your leads and customers. You'll learn how to set up follow-up reminders and automate email responses, saving you valuable time while keeping your communication seamless. By the end of this, you'll be able to automate tasks that would normally take hours, all within Salesforce itself. But before we dive in, did you know you can use Salesforce for free with our exclusive bonus? Just check out the link in the description below to get started. So let's jump into the first thing you need to do to automate your follow-ups in Salesforce. First, you'll want to set up workflow rules. Workflow rules in Salesforce allow you to automate tasks like follow-up emails and task creation. For example, you can create a rule that sends an automatic email reminder if a lead hasn't been contacted in the past 24 hours. This ensures no lead is ever forgotten. You can also set these rules to trigger based on various criteria like opportunity stages or custom fields. Next, let's talk about email templates. Email templates are crucial when automating follow-ups in Salesforce. You can design custom email templates for different stages of your sales process, and when your workflow rules trigger, these emails can be sent automatically. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency in your communication. The third thing you'll want to do is integrate Salesforce with third-party tools. By connecting Salesforce to your calendar or email marketing tools, you can further streamline follow-ups. For instance, syncing with Google Calendar ensures follow-up tasks are automatically added to your schedule, and email integrations ensure all follow-ups are tracked in one place. The fourth thing is using Process Builder to create more complex automation. Process Builder lets you automate multiple actions in one process, like creating tasks, sending emails, and updating fields. You can design follow-up processes that not only send an email, but also create a follow-up task for your team or update a lead status, all triggered by specific actions in Salesforce. Now, let's talk about reminders and alerts. These can be set up to notify you or your team when a follow-up is due. You can customize these alerts for different events, ensuring that your team stays on track and no opportunity is missed. Finally, you should consider using Salesforce Einstein. This AI-powered feature can help predict when a lead is most likely to respond, allowing you to schedule follow-ups at the optimal time. This takes your automation to the next level, helping your business be even more efficient and precise. To wrap things up, automating follow-ups in Salesforce is an effective way to ensure no lead slips through the cracks and your sales processes run smoothly. Remember, you can use Salesforce completely for free with our exclusive bonus, so don't forget to check the first link below to start automating your follow-ups today. With that, you'll be all set to automate your Salesforce follow-ups, save time, and improve your efficiency. Thanks for watching.